Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Close to all amenities, including schools, shops, transport and more, is this fantastic property. A must-see for anyone wanting a quality property with a low-maintenance lifestyle. This well-designed family home offers a well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances and large open-plan meals living area. Downstairs, a powder room and the master bedroom, complete with a full ensuite and walk-through robe. Upstairs, the two large additional bedrooms have built-in robes and are serviced by a central bathroom. Features include ducted heating, air conditioning, quality fittings and fixtures, separate laundry, double lock-up garage with rear access and many more extras. Enjoy entertaining? This fantastic property comes with a low-maintenance outdoor area leading out from the living room. Perfect for fun-filled days. Book an inspection today. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.